Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of comparing two populations. This is standard 7.12c in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 40 off the 2017 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have Parker conducting a random survey at a mall, and we're looking at different songs that were downloaded by genre. We've got country, rap, and rock, but it's just to 40 students. And as you can see here, we've got two different populations. We've got girls and boys, girls with a light bar, boys with a dark bar. So we're going to be able to compare not only which genre of music was downloaded the most, but we can also separate the results by girls and boys. And so we can compare these two populations, and even though this is just a small sample of 40 students, we can actually make some inferences about the general population or all the students if we wanted to. It might not be 100% accurate, but it's actually pretty representative. So that's the power of these small surveys, is you can have a pretty good idea about what everyone would answer by just taking a small representative sample. So let's just take a look at this F, G, H, and J, see which of these statements makes the most sense, and we will just turn each of these into a math problem. So let's look at F. Girls like country music. Okay, so girls, light bar, country music, that's 10. So we'll just turn it into this. They like it more, so I'm going to say that's greater than all other genres combined. So we're still talking about girls, so that's the light bar, but there's only two other genres. It's just rap and rock, so that's 4, and that's 6. So they say 10 is greater than 4 plus 6, which means they're saying that 10 is greater than 10. Obviously, we know that's incorrect. If we were to say the same as or equal to, that would have been better. So not going to be F, but that's how we're going to work these types of problems. So let's just see if we can turn these statements into some type of inequality. More girls than boys like rock music. All right, so we're just focusing on rock music, and well, visually we don't even need to necessarily put numbers on that, because look, those two bars are the same height. That's the beauty of using a bar graph, is you can visually see which bar is higher than the other. But if we really wanted to, we could put this into a number sentence, and they say 6 is greater than 6. Once again, it's not going to work. It would be better if it were 6 were equal to 6. So we would need to say, once again, instead of more, we would need to say the same, or the same number of girls and boys liked rock music. So it's not F, it is not G, let us hope it is H or J, or we have messed up somehow. H, boys like country music more than rock. So we're just looking at boys now, so we're just looking at the dark bar. So boys country music, so this is between 2 and 4, so we're going to call that 3. More than, so we'll do it greater than. Rock music, well, visually I can tell you that doesn't work. Country is not greater than rock, but we already went ahead and labeled that one as a 6. So they're trying to tell us that 3 is greater than 6. Obviously, that is not going to work. Better if we had said less than rather than more than. So let's hope it is J. All right, boys like rock. So we need to get into our boys, dark bar, rock. I guess it doesn't matter, they're both the same on rock. More than girls like rap. Now, if we're not careful, we're going to think this is incorrect, because look at this dark bar for rap. This is way up here. That's even off the scale. So assuming this is a 12, that would be an 11. And you're thinking, oh my gosh, that's wrong. All 4 of them are wrong. Remember, we switched. Boys like rock, girls like rap. Girls is this light bar right here, and they're wanting you to compare between populations. So that is, this one right here is greater than this one right here, which is correct. So our answer is J.